Alright everyone, welcome to today's piano tutorial. Today I've got a very quick and easy song for you to learn. This is Stay Next to Me by Quinn XCII and Cutler. And the part I'm going to teach you today goes a little something like this. And then the pre-chorus. And then just repeat. And so on. Alright, so first let me just walk you through those chords that we're going to play. We're going to start out here with a D chord. In the left hand we're just going to have D and A, and in the right hand F sharp, A, and D. Now, the right hand is going to stay the same, but we're going to move up in the left hand to an F sharp and D. So this is a D chord over an F sharp, because we have this F sharp in the bass. Our next chord is going to be right here. G and D now in the left hand, and then G, A, and D in the right hand. This is going to be a G suspended 2, because a normal G chord would look like this with a B, but we're going to instead keep this A, so it's like a suspended 2, or you could say it's the 9th, but I think because we're not playing the B anywhere, I like to call it G sus 2. So those first three chords, D, D over F sharp, G suspended 2. Let's keep moving on. Now we have this chord, an A chord, A, E, A, and C sharp, B minor 7, B, F sharp, A, and D. Now we go back to those other two chords we learned before, D over F sharp, just like before, and G sus 2. Alright, let me walk you through again that whole chord progression. D, D over F sharp, G sus 2, A, B minor 7, D over F sharp, G sus 2. And that's going to be pretty much the whole chord progression for the entire song, with the exception of a short pre-chorus that I'll show you in just a moment. But now let me talk about the rhythm that's going to be played. So one thing to note here is that nothing gets played on the downbeat, which means if we're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, nothing is going to be played on beat 1, which is what we usually would start a part on. So if we were to count it, let me show you how that would sound. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We start on beat 2 in the first measure, so we go rest, 2, 3, 4. But these next hits, starting with this D over F sharp and this G sus 2 chord, they're going to be played on the and of 3 and the and of 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3. So take some time to get that rhythm down, because that's going to be used for all the chords. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we just have that first chord on beat 2, so all together like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be the main piano part that's played throughout the entire song. One more time. Alright, and then the only other part you need to know is this little pre-chorus, and we actually know all the chords already. It's just going to be B minor 7, D over F sharp, and a G sus 2. And the rhythm that we're going to be playing is like this, pretty much the same as before. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the two main piano parts that you need to know. Now this piano part gets pretty much looped. There is some other little piano flares up here, higher up on the piano, but it's kind of hard to play both those at the same time, but there's something that gets played that sounds something like a lot throughout the song. So if you want to play that, it's just start on the A's. I like to play an octave apart, A, F sharp, G, F sharp. And if you're quick enough, you could play this little part up here. Whew, gotta be quick though. But yeah, that's everything you need to know to play Stay Next to Me by Quinn XCII and Chelsea Cutler. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed that quick piano tutorial. By the way, if we haven't met before, my name is Josh and I'm here on YouTube to help you learn how to play the piano. So if you want to see more of that, please subscribe to my channel and remember to give this video a like as well if you got some value out of it. Alright, that does it for me. Have an awesome day.